everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Now I'm going to start my series of lunch, dinner, starter and dessert ideas for your Christmas lunch or Christmas dinner or even New Year's lunch or dinner or just any family gathering during the holidays. So I hope you like all these recipes that I'm putting up and I hope you give them a try and do let me know in the comments box what you thought of the recipe. Let's just start with today's recipe. So let's start with the recipe. Now here I have 300 grams of boneless chicken breast which I've cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon of fine garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of fine ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and some salt to taste. So these are our ingredients for marinating the chicken. Now we're just going to apply the ginger garlic paste, add the chili powder as well as the salt to taste, give everything a mix and keep this aside for at least 20 minutes to marinate. Now after 20 minutes of marination, we're just going to heat about a tablespoon of oil and we're just going to fry this chicken till it's nicely done on both sides. And once that is done, we're just going to take it out and keep it aside in a bowl. Now it's time to take out the chicken because it's nicely fried. And now it's time to make some lovely gravy. So in the same pan, I've just added about a tablespoon of butter. It is butter chicken after all. And now I'm just going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That is the ginger paste and the garlic paste. Fry that well in the butter. And now I'm going to add about half a cup of onion paste. So you can just take a small onion and make a fine paste of it. And to this, I'm now going to add a cup of tomato puree. So I just blanched the tomato, took out the skin and the seeds and just blended it in my mixer. Now I'm just going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now you can alter the use of chili powder according to your taste. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half a cup of cashewnut paste. Now what I did is I just took about half a cup of cashewnuts. I soaked them in some hot water for 20 minutes and then just ground the cashewnut by adding a little bit of hot water. Now I'm going to add some Kashmiri chili powder for the lovely color that we want for this butter chicken. So about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is not spicy, it just adds a lovely color. Now we're going to add the fried chicken to the gravy. We're going to give everything a nice mix. And now we're just going to add about half a cup of water so that we can cook everything well together. Now you can also add some food color if you like, if you want to bring out the color in this dish. And now I'm just going to cover this and let it cook for about 10 minutes on a very low flame. Now after 10 minutes of cooking, we're going to open the lid and just check where everything looks good. The aroma is amazing. Now we're just going to add some salt to taste. Now remember, we marinated the chicken and we added salt, so just keep that in mind when adding salt. And now I'm going to add a pinch of sugar. This is a little bit of a spicy and a little bit of a sweet recipe. Give everything a good mix. And now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of kasuri meethi. So I've just crushed the kasuri meethi and added it. This adds a lovely flavor to this recipe. So we're going to mix everything well. And now I've just taken a little bit more of butter and added it. This is optional, but since it's butter chicken, you need to have the lovely flavor of butter. But you can drop this part if you don't want to add any more butter. And now all we have is our last ingredient, which is so important, which is some beaten cream.
So I've just taken about 1/4 of a cup and I've just added a little bit of it, half of it to the gravy now, mixed it, and I'm going to keep a little bit of the fresh cream for garnishing once our dish is all ready to serve. And our butter chicken is ready. Now all I'm going to do is just turn off the flame and just cover and keep it for another 5 minutes so the residue heat just makes it perfect. And our butter chicken is all ready. Just transfer it to a serving bowl. Just drizzle some lovely fresh cream, beaten fresh cream, and a sprig of coriander, and you're all ready to serve this. So I hope you like today's recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you like it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go and visit Akshata's Recipes. I have loads and loads of recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you soon.
So friends, I hope you liked today's recipe and I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below what you thought of today's recipe, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs up on my channel, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I need more subscribers on my channel too. And once you have subscribed, it will ask you to click a bell, so do click that bell. That way whenever I put up a video on my channel, you get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for much more to come on Akshata's Recipes. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Bye.